Hi, I'm Dr. Peter Whyte, and today I'm going to show you a surprising and extremely healthy recipe you can make right at home. It uses simple ingredients like cloves, garlic, and a touch of coffee. But when they're combined the right way, they create a powerful infusion that supports digestion, boosts energy, and helps your body fight inflammation. Let's get started. Step 1. The power of 1 teaspoon of cloves. Take 1 small teaspoon of cloves. Cloves smell incredible, but the real magic is in their antioxidant content, especially a compound called eugenol. It supports your liver, improves digestion, and helps reduce harmful bacteria in the body. Go ahead and grind the cloves in any way that's comfortable for you. You can use a grinder, a mortar and pestle, or even crush them with the back of a spoon. The idea is to release the oils and aroma so the benefits transfer to your drink. Step 2. Add the secret ingredient, garlic. Now let's bring in the next ingredient, 1 clove of garlic. This is one of my favorite natural boosters because garlic helps your body fight infections, improves circulation, and supports healthy blood pressure. Chop the garlic very finely. The smaller the pieces, the better it blends into the mixture, and the more allicin, that's the active compound, gets released. This is what gives garlic its powerful healing properties. Step 3. Build the infusion. Add your ground cloves and your chopped garlic to a cup or heat-safe container. Now pour hot water over the mixture. Let it sit and steep for at least 10 minutes. This gives the cloves and garlic enough time to release their nutrients and blend with the water. While that's steeping, I want to say, if you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. It's the best way to support my work and make sure you never miss a new recipe or health tip. Step 4. Add a touch of coffee. After the mixture has steeped, take 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. You don't need much, just a small amount adds flavor and gives your drink an extra boost of energy and antioxidants. Pour the coffee into the infusion and stir gently. Step 5. Strain and serve. To finish, strain everything through a fine sieve. This removes the garlic pieces and clove particles and gives you a smooth, clear infusion. The final drink blends the warmth of garlic, the spice of cloves, and the depth of coffee. A unique combination your body will appreciate. You can drink this in the morning or during the day for energy, improved digestion, and overall wellness. If you want more simple natural recipes like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. I share new videos to help you stay healthy, energized, and strong at any age.